Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, today on your Google form, you have this problem right here. Now, I didn't probably write all the words exactly as they appear, but what it basically says. All right, so Riley and her family went to the carnival. They went into the carnival and they said, hey, give me $18 so y'all can get in. They had a total of $93 in their pocket, so they pull out their pocket and they give $18. Now they went in, and of course Riley, being Riley, she's like,
I'm hungry, Mommy and Daddy.
so Mommy and Daddy, they go to the shop over there and they say, all right, we need to feed Riley. And it costs $36 to feed Riley.
Not just me.
Now, they took the rest of the money to spend on games. Now, the reason why students find this problem confusing, it's because you have to pick one of these. But before you pick one of these, it gives you enough information to figure out how much they spent on games. So the first thing I want to do is figure out how much they spent on games.
It doesn't ask us to.
I know that it doesn't ask us to, but it's going to help you figure out the answer by how much they spent on games. So I'm going to figure out how much they spent total. I have 36 plus 18, because I know $18 for Riley to get into the carnival, and 36 to feed Riley. And so they spent 6, 14, 3, 4, 5. So they spent $54 were spent. Now when Riley's parents took her to the carnival, they had in their pocket $93. It was not in quarters, because that would pull your pants down, $93 in quarters. So now we know they spent on food and coming in to the fair, they spent $54. Everything they didn't spend here went to games. So now we need to figure out how much they spent on games. Well, if we had 93, they spent 54, 13, so that's 9, 39. $39 is what is left after they buy food and after they get in to the carnival, not in that order. After they get into the carnival and what they spent on food. They have $39. The question here tells us what are they going to, or which one of these would help you find $93. Well, we know the G for games equals 39. Once I know that G equals 39, there is zero reason to miss this problem. Figuring out the G equals 39 is not a 5th grade skill. It's like a 3rd grade skill. Now, what I would do if I were solving this, and I did when I was solving it, is I would take everywhere in my answer choices, it said G, and I would replace it with 39. So the first answer choice, G plus 36 minus 18. Well, if I added 39, because that's what G equals, so if I went 39 plus 36, that would give me 74. And then if I subtracted, I may be wrong on that math, but it really doesn't matter. It's not the point. And then, no, that wouldn't be 74. That's 75. So now if I get these two together equals 75. So now if I subtracted 18 from 75, would I get 93?
No.
No. So all you need to do is to solve this kind of problem. First, if that question said how much did they spend on games, y'all would be, boom, shakalaka, this is easy. That's all you need to do to solve it. You need to know how much did they spend on games. And once you know that, all you have to do is plug it in for G on all these. 18 plus 36, we said is 54. If I subtract 39 from 54, is it going to give me 93? Go through each answer choice, replace the G with 39, and then solve it, following the operations that are here. And one of them will give you the answer of 93. That's the equation you use. Boom! Shakalaka, peace out, God bless, love you, do something kind today, save the bees. Hey, tell your parents that you love them.